Today we're going to be talking about your new Infinity Iyashi remote and how to program automated and manual programs. Once your chair is set up and plugged in, you want to go ahead and turn on the chair. You will see the LED screen will light up and give you many options like the automated programs, the manual programs, airbag programs, heat on or off, the availability to turn on foot rollers at different speeds, and also your settings, which we will go over later in this video. The first program we're going to put you in is the Extend program. This is the program you most likely used and got into when you're first trying your Infinity Iyashi. This is where it will actually do full extension, pulling your feet out in front of you and giving you a nice lower back stretch. You will also see in any of the automated programs when you first start them, the chair will slide forward, giving you that space-saving technology to get the chair off the wall to give enough space to recline back. As you see here, this will be doing this. The chair will also start body scanning you for different heights of people in the chair. It can read anybody from about 5 foot to about 6'6". Once you get in the chair reclined fully out, it will start reclining you back in your zero gravity position. It will continue to do the full body sensing, and now you hear all the airbags will turn on to give you that compression massage that you love. To go back to the main menu, you hit Menu. You will also see that you have many other automated programs like Recover, Extend Again, Relax, Refresh. Let me go back to that main program. And then you have Upper Body and also Lower Auto. The big important thing is to also learn how to concentrate on a specific area of your body. What you want to do is you want to go back and hit Manual. When you go into manual settings, you have many different modes like shiatsu, knocking, tapping, kneading, and even at the bottom here you have sync and rhythm. Rhythm is going to be where the music will actually connect with the chair and the rolls will go to the beat of the music. Sync is where you're going to have two different types of massage like kneading and tapping at the same time. If you want to concentrate on a specific area, we recommend using the Kneading Massage, where the roll is going to come in and out to give you that nice deep tissue massage. What I normally do is hit Kneading. It automatically goes back to the main screen to show you that it is in kneading and that the rollers are running up and down your body. You then want to hit back to Menu. Go down to your manual settings, hit OK, and go down to Part. Part is where you're going to choose where the rollers are going to be. You have a partial massage where the rollers will stay in a 6 to 8 inch region, and you have your point massage. This is the one you want to choose to figure out what part of your body we'd like to concentrate on. Once you have it on point, you can go back to the main menu so you can see the full body in the upright position and to find out where the rollers are. The rollers are at the lower buttock region. You then can adjust where you'd like the rollers to be by hitting the up-down adjust button. I'm going to bring these rollers up to the neck, and as you can see, it is rising slowly to go up to the neck. Once you get it and where you'd like it to be, you can stop the rollers right there and it will not move from that spot. To go over the front face of the remote, you also have your back adjust. In any program, either auto or manual, you can change the adjustment of the backrest. You can bring it up forward, or if you want to recline back, you can bring it recline back. You also have your feet retract. This is actually the footrest that can come in and out for different heights. You can bring it all the way in where it is now, or you can bring it out to be a little more comfortable. From this part, you also have your feet adjust, up or down. Bringing it down if you want to get that stretch, or if you want to bring the feet up to be parallel to your heart. To go back to the menu, what we have here is more manual programs. We can go down and change the different widths of chairs. We can also change the speed. If you want to change the speed of the rollers going up and down your body, you can change it from level 1 all the way to level 6. Anytime you want to go back on the screen, you want to hit menu. From here, you can go past the manual settings and go into the airbag that we talked about earlier. Airbag settings, you can change it so that it's full or concentrate just on the arm and shoulders, back and waist, leg and foot, or even the buttock region. Not only can you change where you want the airbags on, you can change the force of the airbags by going down to force and changing that intensity from anywhere from level 1 all the way up to level 5. Going past the airbag section of the menu, we have your heat. Heat is either on or off. You can put the heat on or off at any time of the massage. Then we have the rollers. These are the foot rollers. You have 3 different speeds of the rollers. You can turn them on or off in any automated program, and you also can change the intensity or speeds of the rollers between 1, 2, or 3. The last menu on the menu page would be the settings. From here is where you can choose the time length of your massage. You can have it at 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 30 minutes. On top of that, you can go over to your time, and below that is the language. We have 4 different languages that can represent on the remote for any of the different users. Below that, we have Bluetooth. The Bluetooth setting is either on or off, and this is if you want the chair to connect to any of your wireless devices to play music. These are the basic functionalities of the remote. If you do have any questions regarding your remote, please give us a call at 603-347-6006 or visit us at www.infinitymassagechairs.com.